Hey guys, hey, happy Monday. Yo, today's Monday, and guess what time is it? It's almost 3, y'all. It's 2:50 something. And I came at Walmart, I think it was 220, yeah. And I just now got an order, you guys. $22 for 9 miles, 3 customer drop off. For those who came in the morning, y'all, I heard that it was super slow today. It was super slow today. So I hope this afternoon I'm getting orders, y'all. Who knows? But it was super busy this morning, so we don't know, y'all. So they're about to bring, my pickup time is 3 o'clock, so let's just wait to 3 o'clock so they can bring my order, y'all. Yo, she's done loading everything in the car. So right now we are about to take off. The first customer is only 6 minutes, y'all. Only 6 minutes, so let's go. All right, let's go drop our first one. It only took us 3 minutes to get here. Only 3 minutes, so let's drop it off. Yeah, the last one. Hello. How are you? I'm good. Oh yeah?
Oh, you need my driver's license.
Okay. Yo, it's 4:38 right now. 4:38, and I just received my second order, you guys. My second order. $28. It's going 7 miles, and it's 3 customer drop off. It's super hot right now, y'all. It's super. It's too hot. Oh my gosh. But that is good though. So my second order of the day, y'all. My second order. The pickup time is 4:45. Okay, yeah, our first drop off is 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Got the first one delivered. Let's go to our next drop off. All right, y'all, this is our second drop off. I was thinking this is a lot, but it's not a lot, so let's take it. Alright, we're here for our last drop off, and it's going on F. That's upstairs, y'all. So I don't want to come back. Trying to see how I can take this at the same time, y'all, because I do not want to come back doing second round and all that stuff. Oh, yo, I did it. One trip. I did it. So I received the shopping order right now. $32, y'all. $32 for 9 miles. Shopping for 2 customers. And let me tell you, y'all, before this order, I received another one. It was a shopping order, and I already did it. Shopped for it, delivered. I was on a call. That's why I didn't record. It was $20, y'all. $20 for 2 customers. I had to shop for 2 customers as well. and yeah, I already delivered. So as soon as I got here, I just received another one, y'all. So let's go in and shop for this order. By the way, y'all, now it's 6:50 right now. Yep, time is going. Yeah, I'm done shopping, and right now I'm at the first house. This is the only thing that I'm going to deliver. And she said to ring a doorbell. Let's go ring this doorbell. Oh, I forgot to scan it, y'all. Let me scan it real quick. Our last drop off, y'all, is 9 minutes away. 9 minutes. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm at the second drop off. So let's drop these items. Yo, what a day. What a day. What a day. It's 8 o'clock right now, and this is the end of my video and my shift, you guys. So far this afternoon, it was not that bad, y'all. It was not bad. Plus, I was getting good orders above 20. I love when I'm receiving orders above $20. There's this feeling that comes when I get orders above $20. You guys, let me tell you, if you're getting orders above $20, the money add up super quick. Like today, I only took like 4 orders, and all my total is 104, you guys. Only for 4 orders. I think I did 4 orders. Let me go double check. Yeah, you guys, I only did 4 orders, and my total for today is 103, you guys. I am super thankful. The paying was above $20, so I'm super thankful. So I hope tomorrow it's another day. Tomorrow's another day. My plan for tomorrow is to wake up at 6, y'all. I'm gonna get that 6 o'clock shift. The rest of the week, y'all, that's my, I hope I'm going to wake up, because to wake up right now, it's hard. Waking up early is super hard right now, because I'll be going to sleep super late. So I'm gonna try to be going to bed early, y'all. So tomorrow is another day. Today wasn't that bad this afternoon, but people who came this morning, y'all, they say it was super bad. So I'm thankful I even made this 103, from 3 to 8. So not bad. If you enjoy watching this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.